हांव नागेश फेर्नांडीस
त्याला सांगा
तसं तर सगळ्यांना घालून बसा.
नागेश फेर्नांडीस कुर्तोरी कॉन्स्टिट्यून्सीचो ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट. आयज बाब मोनी उलयलो. हांव गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीच्या नांवान हांव ताका येवकार दिता. ही आमची पार्टी आनी हांव समजता बाब मोनीनो हे आमचे पार्टेक आसात भरपूर काम करतलो. आनी जेन्ना आमी ब्लॉकांतल्यान ही टिकेट डिसायड करतले तेन्ना सगळे आमी मेळोन हे पार्टेक वचोन आमी काम करून ही पार्टी आमी जिखून हाडून रावतले.
ना एक्चुअली आता आमगेले एक सकाळी डिस्कशन जालें आमगेले मेन सपोर्टर आयले आनी कालूय आमचे हो आमचो पार्टीचो अध्यक्ष पळया टिकेटी सोडून आनी हेड ऑफ ऑपरेशन वर्तिकांवर कामां तेंचे कडेन डेवलप जालें आनी ते सगळे मेळोन हातून काँग्रेसान परत्यो. सो आमकां हे जाय कितें वी वॉन्ट टू strengthen the hands of the Congress party because आमची नदरेन the Congress party only can give us a good government in the coming elections. I will not say we will bring all secular votes. I will say we will bring all the people जे हे राज्याचे पड लोक आहा जावं तो हिंदू जावं तो मुस्लीम जावं तो कॅथलीक हे सगळे लोकांक आमी काँग्रेस पार्टी एकठांय हाडटली आनी वी वील फायट दिस इलेक्शन विथ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ युनिटी and betterment of the marginalized. This is our motto, and for that reason I have joined Congress party. Now, Bob Vilagisan Jante Bashir, the party ticket has not been declared, has not been decided after the current Panav Delhi, so Sudun गेल तेन्ना. And irrespective ticket कोणाक मेळो, we will be with the Congress party, so that the Congress party returns to power. And I also thank our ZB member Michelle Ribello, who is there with us today. Our Sarpanch of Purtari village, Bob Milagres Rodriguez. तसोच आमचो डेप्युटी सरपंच बाब सायमन बारेटो इज देयर. Our representative from the district committee, Madam Shivangi. आणि हेर बाकीचे येवपा आसले कार्यकर्ता आमचो कांबोळीचो सरपंच आनी हेर बाकीचे रायचे जोजोबास बी, बट बिकॉज ऑफ their previous commitments they have not been able to come. कित्याक हे आमचे डिसिजन पूण आतां मातशें फास्ट जालां बिकॉज I wanted to close all this for the odd year. So we start a new beginning, a new movement, a new momentum for the Congress party. This is what I want to say. And from my heart, if you see my DP, you will see. DP what I have. The DP chair will a profile of the temple, the church, and a mosque. So our God's son, not only in words, but I believe in Ram, I believe in Allah, and I believe in Jesus, and we want that movement to capture full of Goa. Because if there is anything bad, ते सगळ्या लागता. It is not only restricted to certain people. It is सगळ्या लागता. Anything wrong that the government does, it affects everybody, all sections of society. So I want to give a message to the people that all should be one and see what is happening today. Today, आज जे TMC जे leaders join झाले from the, especially who are sitting MLAs. These people are saying they are going to defeat BJP. They are not come to defeat BJP. They are come to support BJP. Because these people who are sitting every day at the TMC board, they have strong roots in the BJP. They had strong roots in the BJP. So they are come and formed joining TMC. They are not here to make the BJP look. They are here to make the BJP win. And लोकांनी गायकरांनी मातशे हेजे नजर दवरपाक स्पेशली आवर यूथ एड्युकेटेड पीपल जायतो प्रामाणीक लोक जो आहा आमच्या गांवांत तांकां हें कळटलें सो तांणी ही मेसेज लोकां मदीं पावोवपाक जाय आनी इन दॅट वी हॅव अ बेटर एनवायरमेंट फॉर आवर यूथ फॉर आवर फ्युचर जनरेशन फॉर आवर विमेन ऑल दीस थिंग्स दिस इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू आनी हे मुद्दे मतीन धरून आय हॅव डिसायडेड टू जॉइन द काँग्रेस पार्टी.
What is the deal with the Congress?
There is no deal. I told you, no. There is absolutely no deal. Actually, I don't believe in having any deals. I believe that if you are have a open mind, a sincere mind, there is somebody, you can call it God or destiny, to take you on the right path. I joined BJP. I think I made a mistake. For 20 days, I saw what it is, and I have come out of it. And I thank the Congress party for welcoming back. I have no deal, no expectation.
No, you got a ticket.
Ticket, if it comes, I'll take it. It is not that is not the most important thing. Ticket is a very small issue for me. Because ticket is I have joined Jalna. If the ticket was the main issue, I would have joined immediately when Rijnal had left the party. So it was not my entry in that previous party was not going anywhere. I was getting suffocated. So I have resigned now. So ticket is a very small issue. That is not at all an issue.
No, but will you stake a claim for the ticket?
See, once the block, if the block recommends my name, I myself can't say I want a ticket. The block has to recommend my name. Some members of the block have to recommend my name. If they recommend my name, the leadership accepts my name and gives the ticket to me, I am confident I can win this seat and give it to the Congress party. That is the confidence and guarantee I have got. Because the ZP who is sitting here, she was opposed to the nil by the sitting MLA, who is now no longer with the Congress party. I was told by many to approach him, but I didn't approach because he was not going to help us. I knew it. And she won by 3,600 margin. Because look, these people are there. People are there with the Congress party. There are people who are who are not sometimes knowing the politics, but they are there with the Congress party. Because the party has done a lot for this, for the marginalized, and in that direction I have joined the party. And I want to admit clearly that it was a mistake, what I did. And as I said, I want to be free from that, and I joined the party to strengthen the hands of the party. Whatever the party decides for me will be fine for me, and that will be the.
Will that move come in the way of you getting the ticket?
Well, that is something the party leadership has to answer. But I would like to say one thing, that when I joined the BJP, my wife did not join the BJP. She remained in the Congress party. And I told clearly the leaders also that since she has been given the verdict, she has been given a mandate by the people on a Congress ticket, she will complete her 5 years on the Congress ticket. That was my stand. So today the party gives me the ticket and I am winning the election. I want to assure everybody here, the people of Goa, that I will stick with the Congress party. That is a guarantee. Because I did go to the party, one party came back, that is the pre-election. It was kind of a pre-election move. But post-election, there will be nothing like that.
I started my question with the word deal. Deal. What is the deal I asked you? Is there a possibility of a wife being created by the Congress? I
don't know. She's an individual. Well, see, even if the party gives her the ticket, she's an individual. She has to take her own decisions. And if the party decides to give her the ticket and she accepts it.
No, but is that a precondition that you have to enter and then she will be? Is there any such thing?
Nothing like that. Nothing like that.
मॉर्निंग मी 20 बीजेपी जावन आयले काँग्रेसीन परत आयले पण सध्या तुका वेलकम करपाक आनी कोणी लिडर कित्याक ना एटलीस्ट प्रेसिडेंट
कित्याक जाणटो सी आतां आमी सकाळीं आमकां फोन येयलो फ्रॉम द पार्टी लिडरशीप when are you joining and all that I need to discuss. Now आमचे आतां suddenly एक decision जालें that we will go and join today itself so that a new year is a new beginning. So now, Girish also called me. He is in North Goa. He said, "You go. We have deputed district madam. District she is come, and also leader of opposition also called me. He is doing door-to-door campaign in Margam with 100 people. So he last minute he cannot come, but their blessings are there with me. And actually, I wanted it to be a low-key affair basically, because their blessings I know that their blessings are there, but we need the blessings of the people of the constituency. That is more important.
Did you inform your MP Satya about your intention?
No, I am not, but I will be going and meeting him now, because probably on Sunday I will be going and asking him for his blessings that I have joined the party.
Is Digambar and Girish assured you anything?
I told you, no, there is no deal, nothing of that sort. They only told me, no, you join the party. It becomes a little better for me because my wife also is a Congress ZP member. So it becomes a little better and convenient. So that's why I said we will join for the New Year. And let's see where येणारे काळात आम्ही गुणी पावता. So yeah.
आता काँग्रेसीचे जे उत्तरेचे वर्कर आहात तांचे रिस्पॉन्स किती आसा?
That's why I never say आमचो सरपंच आहा, deputy सरपंच आहा.
No, it was the request of the people basically that he joined the Congress party.
Madam, what do you have to say with Moreno returning back to your party?
Very happy.
Yesterday he said he was a family
I said it is, he is welcome back to the family, Congress family.
Yesterday he was saying that he is relieved now because all the family was against him for taking a decision to join the BJP.
No, it was like, partly we were a little upset looking at the recent things what were happening on Christmas Day, and so it was affecting us and people were passing comments. We were thinking of ignoring it all if some work had to start from the ruling party side. But since that also was not happening and we are getting taunts and looking at the things that are happening, everybody is seeing what is happening. So that was, I think, suffocating him.
Did he request you at the time of joining the BJP to follow him?
No. No. It wasn't a request from him. It may have come from their side eventually, but my answer would be no.
They had asked you to join?
Because if I'm elected, I'm going to be loyal to my party. I was elected with a lot of votes on the Congress party, so I have to remain with the Congress party. There's something called loyalty.
But that move was there from that side, from the BJP?
I think it would eventually turn out towards the election.